Hello. We're going to talk about how to hook up the harness system to the interface box as well as to the patient. Okay, so we'll start with the head harness. So this interface box right now just demonstrates that the power is on. Okay, so now we plug the head harness into this outlet here. Okay, into this outlet. This outlet is for the extremity harness. All right, head harness is plugged in, and so now we will attach the harness, which has 8 contacts, right? This is the head harness to the patient, just around the forehead, like that. The head harness is on, and you could theoretically let's balance the hemispheres. So notice the lights. The blue lights are the acquisition signal coming from the patient. The green lights is the frequencies coming from the computer. Okay, so it's a conversation between the patient and the computer, and we are scanning the hemispheres, checking out the imbalance. So now remember, you can also put this head harness, for example, around the trunk of a baby or a toddler, and there's other accessories you can plug in instead of the head harness, like a pet pad and a horse head harness and so on. Let's set up the extremity harness. Now, one thing about the extremity harness is the software doesn't have an acquisition function for the extremity harnesses. Okay, it's only for feedback. Therefore, we only use it to treat like acupuncture treatments or acupanel or the brain panel potentially, or especially the lymph stimulation panel, the lymph panel. And any panel you decide, for regular allergy treatments in my clinic, we don't even bother to put the extremity harness on a regular basis for a standard treatment. So you have these 4 components to the head harness, and they need to be connected. The connector itself will go in here, right? The connector itself goes in here. Okay, let's put these are magnetic connectors. So we just do one at a time. 2 are for the wrists and 2 contacts are for the ankles, okay? So let's do the wrists first. We'll put the end around first. We're starting from here. And around, and around. All right, what's left is the ankles. It doesn't have to be very tight or anything, just loosely around. So now we can do our feedback, right? And it's done. All right, so that's how you place the harness system completely. Extremities and head harness.